Alright y'all, so y'all can't see me right now, but we had a very bad moment, okay? We had one of the rockets and the stick was broke. It was supposed to go up, but it went to somebody else's car, and we hoped it didn't catch on fire, and it didn't, so bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Meet The Bratchers. We're back with an important announcement. We're here again. We're going to be doing our Christmas in July giveaway. Yay! We're so excited. Last year, we want to thank our winners. We're glad that you all participated, and we're going to be excited to do it again this year. I'm going to be celebrating my birthday, July 25th. And what are we going to be giving away, Shania?
So this year we decided to go big, bigger than last year, so that's our goal. So for our second annual Christmas in July giveaway, we're giving away a t-shirt from Grace 5, a Serenity 7 bracelet, necklace, or earring, a Forever Creation cupcake jar, and we're also giving away school supplies for students.
Yay! So we're so excited to do this giveaway. What do they need to do to enter to win, Shania?
So I have a link in the description below for all the different types of things that you want to get. So if you want to get all of them, go ahead and click each link and log in for all of them. But if you want to get one of them, that's totally fine. You click that link and you have to do certain things that they tell you to do. So you might have to subscribe, you might have to press the notification bell, you might have to follow our social medias. Whatever it tells you to do, you do it, and then you can be into the giveaway. Oh, and also you get bonus entries if you do other things. So.
Cool.
Which, if you don't know, it helps you get more chances to win one of the items or more.
Awesome. We have a big announcement coming up, but we're going to hold that and let you know about it later on. But we are so excited about our Christmas in July giveaway for our second annual giveaway. Please like, subscribe, leave us a comment. We want to hear back from you guys. All right.
And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This vlog is basically us having our 4th of July, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, enjoy.
You gotta wait to get a scale.
Hey y'all, what's up? Hey.
I know, so tell Shine.
Hello guys.
What's up? Sorry. Sorry. I did. You know, sometimes it's internet. But the thing is, it has
Nobody wants to vlog right now. But anyway, what is up, you guys? Today is 4th of July. It's Wednesday. We're going to south of the border to get some fireworks because that's what we do every year. We normally go the day before or the day of. So today we're gonna go get some fireworks and we're so excited. Anyway, make sure you subscribe if you haven't and click that notification bell so you can be notified every single time we post. And also make sure you click the like button and like this video. But yeah. So we are in the actual store. I'm trying not to record too much because I don't want to show too many faces because yeah, I'm gonna have to do a lot of blurring. But we're here and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the montage. Yeah. About to leave and it's pouring raining outside, but it's all good, you know. Look at the good things. Look at my twin sister. You know, denies it, but y'all know. Comment down below if y'all think that we look like twins. I forgot my glasses, but you know.
Yeah, that's one thing, because we both have glasses.
No, but still, we look like twins. We down. Yes, we did. We had people ask us, are we twins on the street? It's cute. Yeah. Comment down below or press the iCard if y'all think that me and China look like twins.
Oh yes.
Y'all already think me and Shallow do.
And triplets.
Yeah. So you guys, currently it's like pouring, raining, like legit pouring, raining. As you can hear the thunder. I don't know if you heard that, but that's the rain outside. And it's supposed to be a thunderstorm, and we're praying that it ends before night, because you know you pop fireworks at night, and that's kind of lame when it's raining because you can't pop any fireworks because it's wet. So, and right now we're stalling time because it's pouring, and we're not trying to go out there right now. But we're praying that there's gonna be a break in the rain so we can go back in the car. And yeah. All I'm saying is today's gonna be a great day. Shauna has to put a bag on her hair to go to the car.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home, guys.
And she got sandals on, y'all, and white. Here she goes. And she got sandals on, y'all.
Okay, you're not. You're not. It's not live. Take it off.
Okay, I'll just have China.
Hi guys, welcome to the Meet The Bratchers channel. So we got her here. So.
This is good lighting. No, it's not. Haters, you guys gotta realize you're gonna have haters like him. Haters like him. And you gotta block that hater, okay? Okay? Block it.
Every day, second.
I'm recording you, but you. Y'all, comment down below if you want me and China to swap bodies for a day.
Yes, her twins. Actually, I'm the mom, so I'll be everywhere. I say no, 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 no. No toys, no nothing. No fun. Sorry, guys. Baby, you cute. So, you taller me. So, I'm not gonna get you none of this. No puppy food, no candy, no sugar. You can get salt, but no candy. No, Steve, we can't. I'm broke. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, you ask my dad. Daddy, get high.
Slow down.
Painting the braid.
Right?
All right, it's the 4th of July. Just went to south of the border, got this thing right here. Look at the price, it was $29. They had some up there as much as $300. But you know, your boss was on a budget. So we went with the $29 package. Usually, you know, we buy up a bunch of stuff and we never get to pop it. So this year we decided to focus more on the bigger things, the bigger picture of 4th of July, and just see if we can have a good time with what we got here. So we're gonna open up the box and see what we got. Like I said, the $29 package here. And let's see. All right, right here, got some Roman candles. Roman candles, you know the things you take and put them in the air? Woo! All right, I thought it was more than that, but it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 Roman candles. Got some poppets. Love poppets. Throw them on the ground. Pow. Got 2 packs of those. All right. Lightning flashes. I don't know what they are, but they might flash. Obviously, we'll take it. All right. Zombie wall. This is something that lights up and look forward to seeing that. June bugs. Never heard of it. Sky shooters, some stuff a bit colorful and shoot up in the air. Here's another small display shelf with multicolors. Looking forward for that. Here's another one. Ground blaster. I guess it'll blast you on the ground. And here come the bigger final finales that we're gonna do tonight, called the Red Stars Barrage. Then we got another one called Yankee Doodle. Look like they got somebody that look like China with a hat on.
What? Let me see that.
Yeah.
What? Okay. Close up.
And here's the Starlight, the 6-shot. So it looks like we got a nice little display for only about like 30 bucks. So should be pretty cool. And it says, celebrate safely with state-approved fireworks. So even though we went to south of the border, this year we didn't get anything that shoots high up in the air. So basically, we could have brought this from over there from Walmart. But still, it works.
We always go south of the border for our tradition.
They really did.
Yeah.
But we got rained on, so we didn't get to do what we normally do. It's a little store we go to as well.
Let me see what we got left over from that yesteryear.
China, you said that many sound impressive.
Yeah, well done. Well done. 16.
Smile. No, I keep.
They should be at the bottom of that. At the bottom in the bag.
We still have some rockets. And this is the reason why we didn't buy a bunch of stuff this year, because
We still got a lot of
Extras.
this is actually from
2 years ago. And
Yep.
this is our bottle we use. It's nice and black and toasted and burnt.
we still got a few rockets.
Yeah.
Nothing extravagant, just some up in the air and pop stuff. But we got a few of them to shoot off. And so it should be fun, just add to the collection. Got some sparklers here for the kids. A few more small Roman candles. A few more rockets, yeah. So look like got a flower, some jumping jacks. Look like we good.
Bob, you're missing all of the
The
fireworks.
tea.
What?
So, birthday party for me.
Yes, Bobby, you're missing.
The comedian here is here. The second comedian.
Second comedian of the family.
She's the first. You know, like she takes the shot.
Charlotte Bratcher, this one.
All right, y'all. So y'all can't see me right now, but we had a very bad moment. Okay, so like we had one of the rockets, and the stick was broke. It was supposed to go up, but it went to somebody else's car, and we hoped it didn't catch on fire, and it didn't. So bye. Point up, Johnny. Okay. Woo! 2019 4th of July. You recorded it, right? Really?
Oh, I like how you got the camera shaking.
For real. Why did you shake the camera?
I was
Why
scared.
would you jump on us?
This is the finale. Oh,
Here we go. Please don't. Happy 4th of July.
happy 4th of July.